We're living in a time where technology, social media, and recent global events have made it harder to form deep connections with others. In this video, we want to explore how historical principles can help you recognize and understand the patterns that might influence your choice of a life partner. We'll focus on using logic rather than emotions to find someone who truly aligns with you on a fundamental level. Let's start by demystifying the idea of love at first sight. This notion, often depicted in romantic novels and movies, portrays love as a sudden, emotional experience primarily driven by physical attraction. However, don't be misled by this fantasy. Love is not something that magically appears out of nowhere, like a shiny object you stumble upon and pick up like treasure. More often, it needs deliberate nurturing, constant effort, unwavering dedication, patience, time, and above all, trust. This is why real love can be profoundly painful when it ends, especially due to betrayal. It's crucial to distinguish between genuine love, obsession, and mere physical attraction. Confusing these concepts can lead to toxic relationships, making it incredibly difficult to let go when needed, causing deep emotional harm. Pure love is about understanding, commitment, and valuing the character and worth of your partner. It's about appreciating not only who they are today, but also the person they are evolving into. This is the core of a meaningful, healthy relationship. Remember, your happiness and well-being depend greatly on the relationships you choose to nurture. And don't forget, love should not only be directed towards your partner, but also towards yourself. Real love means loving someone the way you love and respect yourself. Ensure that you're in a relationship that honors both you and your partner. Don't give more of yourself to someone who isn't willing to reciprocate. Preserve your self-respect, value yourself, and know when it's time to move forward, even if it's a painful process. If you're not happy and your partner's actions continue to hurt you despite discussions, the pain will only linger, and gradually you'll lose your own self-respect. Therefore, it's crucial to love and respect yourself. Learn when it's time to let go of things that no longer serve you. Remember, time has a remarkable ability to heal deep wounds. Scars may remain, but the pain won't last forever. Also, keep in mind that you can't change others. You can't inspire change in someone who isn't willing to change themselves. If you find yourself in such a situation, consider applying the principles of Stoicism. Don't dwell on what's beyond your control. Look ahead with confidence and leave behind what doesn't contribute to your happiness. You are more significant than fleeting emotions. You have the power to choose how to respond to a separation. You can decide to learn from the experience and move forward with greater wisdom. Now you might wonder how to choose a life partner. One common mistake, especially among men, is placing too much emphasis on physical appearance. While physical attraction is important, it shouldn't be the sole criteria. Physical beauty fades over time. Seek a deeper connection that withstands the test of time. Don't obsess over finding someone who conforms to current beauty standards. Instead, focus on finding a partner who's intelligent, a true friend, a reliable advisor, and a strong support during tough times. Look for someone with whom you can envision starting a family and raising children. This advice applies to both men and women. Don't limit your options by fixating on one person, especially if they show no interest in you. Sometimes we invest in people who don't reciprocate our feelings, wasting precious time and sacrificing our true selves to gain their approval. According to historical wisdom, we should accept what's beyond our control. Remember that there are countless people in the world. Rejection doesn't mean you've lost. It might indicate incompatibility that time will reveal and help you appreciate. Don't get disheartened, keep going. Many individuals will genuinely value your authenticity and potential. In essence, there are more opportunities than you think. Every no brings you closer to the yes that can change your life. Look to historical figures like Emperor Marcus Aurelius, who shared his life with an equally wise partner, forming a powerful and respected couple in history. Faustina and Marcus Aurelius shared a remarkable bond that transcended their roles as emperor and empress. They were not just partners in marriage, They were true companions, equals in many aspects of life. Their deep connection and the joint decisions they made together were evident in their correspondence. The relationship between Marcus Aurelius and Faustina tested the principles they held dear and practiced in their lives. They adhered to the core virtues of Stoicism: temperance, justice, courage, and wisdom, not only in their governance, but also in their personal lives. Together they faced adversity, maintaining composure and rationality in the face of political and personal crises. Despite the immense responsibilities of leading the Roman Empire, Marcus Aurelius suffered the heartache of losing several children. In these trying times, Faustina was his pillar of support, providing solace and strength. Their relationship, however, was not without challenges and rumors. Marcus Aurelius faced accusations, but he staunchly defended Faustina, refusing to let malicious words harm their bond. This unwavering loyalty showcased their moral courage and commitment to each other. From a historical perspective, their love was a conscious choice and commitment. We can draw inspiration from their example, choosing our partners based on character, integrity, and the ability to be true life companions rather than mere physical appearance or financial status. This is the essence of historical love, a lesson that still resonates today. Don't forget to like this video and leave your thoughts in the comments below.